Hi, my name is Jim Walker. We're here in Albemarle County at Stony Crest Farm in North Garden, Virginia. I'm a third generation farmer here. We have 135 acres. What we produce here is beef cattle, mostly Black Angus. My pasture property is actually surrounded by two bodies of water. One is the North Fork of the Hardware. The North Fork of the Hardware actually goes towards Scottsville and dumps into the James River, and whatever comes into my river here probably makes it right into the James River. The biggest contribution to our fields is the waste from our animals. It's not only environmentally friendly to keep it out of the streams, but it's beneficial to the farmer to keep all of everything that the animal produces right here on that land where it was deposited. Erosion has been a factor, and to me, that's losing valuable farm property. I was talking to a representative of the Thomas Jefferson area Soil and Water, and they said that there was a new program out there. It's called James River Association that would help me with the tree barrier. Applying for the buffer zone tree planting was really an easy application, which is good for farmers because they don't do a lot of paperwork. After I had applied, I had a contact from James River Association by the name of Anne Marie Roberts, and she came out on the property and she covered a lot of different things. But the biggest thing I was impressed with was they actually allowed me an input on which trees and which shrubs were actually selected. She immediately recognized which plants were invasive and took that out right from the very start. In the planting stages, what Anne Marie Roberts did was she divided that buffer strip into 10 zones. The planting was actually done in one day. Everything there was handled completely by James River Association, and they knew exactly what they had to do. And I was just a conscientious observer at that point, which was really good. We had 1,344 seedlings that went in the ground in one day. So we planted oaks and sycamores, poplars and walnut trees, dogwoods, some were persimmons. We also planted some shrubs and other bushes. One of the biggest advantages with using the James River Association is they mow the whole buffer zone at least once a year. Anything that died within the first 2 years, they were willing to totally replace. I lost about 10% and they've already been replaced. As a whole, the project was very easy on the landowner. It's not cost me anything at all, which is just great for a farmer because we don't have a lot of assets to spend in that way anyway. I always consider farmers as the original conservationists. Do something in every field that would improve and make it better for the next person. This project that James River Association has provided, it's been a great benefit to me, and I would recommend it to anyone.